Hello everyone and welcome back to a look at home. So today I am going to be doing a tour of my garden, guys. We've been doing a lot of digging, a lot of renovations, so it's been a long time and since I did a garden video, so I just thought I'll give you an update. So we're starting from our patio area and that's what it's looking like. We're going to be putting raised beds on the side of our patio. We still need a bit of gravel there and I hope it's going to look as nice as I am thinking. So that's a path. I'm going to fill these beds with lots and lots of flowers, and I need a bit of height as well. I think it will look a bit nicer with a bit of height. So there's a bed again to the left, the curvy one. I need to fill in with a lot of shrubs and a lot of plants. So I still have a lot of planting to do, and I did put a path right at the back of the patio. As you can see, I'm loving the look of that, although it needs to be finished. And that is the back of our garage. We just need to finish off. There's a lot of hardcore and a lot of tools there that we need to clear up, but that place is going to be a sitting area that just looks straight into the garden. I think it's going to look fabulous. So at the back I just left the lawn, as you can see. And then I've got that curvy border that I need to plant up. I need to put lots and lots of plants there, but I still have that wooden edging that I need to finish up. And I will do a video, guys, on how I'm doing that edging. It's quite simple and basic. I'm just putting in to sort of like separate the area where the plants are and where the gravel is. I love this place. I love looking up straight up to the other side of the garden. I think that place is also going to look really fabulous. It doesn't look very nice at the moment, but I know it's going to look nice. So that's just some hardcore there. We need to do some building up where the bricks are, just because our garden was previously sloped, so we need to build up that area. A lot of steps that needs to go in, but that's the secret garden that I'm going to be designing shortly. It's going to look fabulous, guys. That's another view that I really love. Excuse my voice, I've got a bit of a cold. I love that view back into the garden. There's not much to view, which is beautiful, but when everything is done, it's going to look really nice. And then that's the path that leads from the secret garden back to the main garden. So that's back to the patio area. I wanted to show you a place where we're going to put a nook. That's right there. I'm going to put a nook there, and I'm going to plant up some roses and some climbers. I think it's going to look fabulous. So guys, that's our medium-sized garden that we're doing up, and we're absolutely enjoying the process. So if you've got some ideas, please leave them in the comment section and I'll be happy to read your comments and see if there's some tips that I can harvest. Thank you very much for watching.